If your farm wants to join Maine's Open Farm Day, this introduction is a good place to begin. Follow along to learn why visitors enjoy this event and reasons farms join, plus receive sign-up information and key dates for this annual tradition. Maine Open Farm Day was started in 1989 by farmers and supporters. This statewide promotional event is a celebrated annual tradition. It is supported by the Maine Department of Agriculture, Conservation, and Forestry, home to the Bureau of Agriculture, Food, and Rural Resources, which oversees programs and several groups or divisions supporting Maine farms and the food system. You might already be familiar with the Bureau's many services and programs. For example, the Real Maine promotional program led by the Bureau's Agricultural Resources Development Division organizes Maine's Open Farm Day. ARD is a non-regulatory division that primarily works to identify, build, and run programs beneficial to Maine farmers and to support many parts of Maine's agricultural economy. This includes outreach to grow agricultural awareness. And agricultural awareness is a key reason behind Maine's Open Farm Day. The department provides broad publicity and shares planning resources for farms. Farms use the activity as a tool to enhance their overall outreach goals. Each farm is unique and designs an event to align with their overarching goals. There's no fee for farms to join the voluntary promotions, but they must sign up using a Real Maine member account. There's no fee to become a Real Maine member. The event happens, rain or shine, on the fourth Sunday in July. Most farms are open from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The department publishes a list of host farms and coordinates with partners to encourage visitors to explore host farms and, ideally, create a year-round connection. Advertising and publicity include print, web, and radio. Once visitors get to the farm, farmers can share their story and offer a memorable experience. If you're going to put in the effort to join this event, knowing why visitors enjoy Maine's Open Farm Day can be beneficial. Visitors of all ages attend this event. Farms may see as few as 10 visitors to more than 200. Most farms welcome 20 to 50 visitors during the day. Visitors generally share positive feedback about this annual tradition. When the department invites visitors to share their feedback, a few things stand out. Visitors appreciate that Maine's Open Farm Day is a low-cost, family-friendly community event. They especially enjoy seeing Maine's various farms and agriculture firsthand, particularly when there's a chance to visit 2 or even 3 farms in a day. It matters to visitors that they can make a personal connection with Maine farms. And of course, many appreciate the chance to buy locally or to learn where and how to buy Maine farm products year-round. Why do farms participate in Maine's Open Farm Day? Every farm is different. Generally, farmers share that Maine's Open Farm Day can enhance their business goals. They say that it can be a way to build community and support, especially as an introduction or appreciation event. Having a dedicated statewide day is helpful. Some farms collaborate with other businesses and brands. For instance, farms with adequate space may host pop-up displays with fundraisers or workshops, or even meet and greets with farms and makers, including those selling complementary products made with raw materials or ingredients from the farm. In some communities, a cluster of nearby farms and businesses may collaborate to showcase their economic benefits. Farmers see firsthand and realize that people visiting a farm in person is a unique way to showcase the value of their farm products. Finally, paid statewide advertising and coordination by the department can help their farms reach a broader audience. If you're a farm and looking to sign up, there are some things to remember. We'll break this down into two parts: necessities and things that could be helpful. The necessities are what you need to complete the event. Helpful items summarize organizers and farmer suggestions. Let's begin with the necessities. There are a few things you'll need to keep in mind. You need to be a Maine-based farm. You should also have access to technology. You'll need it to complete your sign-up. Specifically, you'll need internet, email, and a computer or mobile device. It's equally important that you're willing to welcome visitors to your farm, which may also serve as your residence and home. You should be aware that not all visitors have farm experience. If you're putting in the time and effort to participate in Maine's Open Farm Day, you may find certain things beneficial. This includes having bigger goals and being able to define your own why as a tool for success. The ability and time to create a realistic plan can help you manage your expectations. Writing down and deciding an event schedule and what you'll offer to visitors can help you manage your expectations as well as those of your visitors. From low-key to more intensive experiences, there are endless possibilities. Whatever you choose needs to be realistic for your farm. Finally, Maine's Open Farm Day is a once-a-year tradition, but increasing agricultural awareness is a year-long effort, just like farming. Using Maine's Open Farm Day can connect you to visitors and potentially more customers. If you have year-round communication tools, such as a digital or print newsletter or your own website, you'll have a chance to build upon those connections after visitors make their Open Farm Day memories. Finally, there are a few key dates and reminders to know if you want to participate in Maine's Open Farm Day. Starting in January, you can sign up via a Real Maine account. You should sign up by May 1st to take advantage of all planning and promotional opportunities. From January to July, you can plan, brainstorm, and review resources to make the most of the promotions before adding the finishing touches to welcome visitors. After the event, you're welcome to share your feedback using the optional survey. Thank you for learning more about Maine's Open Farm Day. If you're ready to take the next step, please visit the department's Farm Focus webpage for this event, www.maine.gov/DACF/Open Farm Day, for step-by-step instructions and planning resources. If you have any questions, please email acfopenfarmday@maine.gov.